Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's episode, we are going to see beautiful bridal Kanjivaram silk sarees. All these are pure Kanjivaram silk sarees in double and triple warp silk weaving. The zari used is 1 gram gold. We have beautiful brocades and tissue sarees. The price range for these sarees are between 15,000 and it goes up to 30,000. Let's get started. All the sarees are available in our website. You can click on the link that's given in the description box, which will take you to the collections page. You can scroll through the products there. Once you open the product page, there'll be an add to cart button. You can click that and proceed with the checkout. In case you have any difficulties in placing your order or you have any other inquiries regarding your order status, you can reach out to us through the need help button that is available in our website. Alternatively, you can send us a message in Facebook, Instagram, or you can write us an email to support@prashantisarees.in. Kindly avoid using WhatsApp. Help us serve you better. Our blouse stitching unit and embroidery is working full-fledged. If you want your blouses to be done, there's an option available in the cart page called blouse stitching. You can click that. Alternatively, you can reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. To get immediately notified whenever we upload a video, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. The first one for today, it's a beautiful blue with magenta combination. Short and long traditional Kanchipuram borders on either sides, bawanji on one side and very pretty elephants and deers along the bottom part of the sari along with bawanji. The body has got beautiful coin buttas and all over pattern running throughout the sari in golden zari with a rich pallu in magenta. That's the pallu. And this has got a contrast magenta blouse. Priced at 14,625. This one is tomato pink and red with an all over weave running throughout the body with traditionally woven Kanchivaram borders on either sides. The body has got subtly woven paisley buttas running along the body with a rich zari woven pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a tomato pink blouse, priced at 19,900. It's dual shade of green and purple with beautiful brocade pattern woven in subtle antique gold zari running throughout the sari. Short bawanji border along one side with a purple piping and traditionally woven kanchi border towards the bottom part of the sari. This has got a rich zari woven pallu in purple. That's the pallu. And a contrast purple blouse. Priced at 14,625. It's golden yellow and orange with short and long borders. Bawanji along one side with beautiful traditional kanchi border along the bottom part of the sari. This has got a very pretty brocade all over weaving running throughout the sari in rich golden zari with a rich pallu, zari woven in orange. That's the pallu. And an orangish red blouse, priced at 14,625. It's peachish pink, a beautiful sari with rich zari woven borders, subtly woven on either sides. And the entire body has got paisley floral pattern running throughout the sari in brocade style with a rich zari woven pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a plain peachish pink brocade blouse. That's the blouse. Priced at 23,090. This one is green and copper sulphate blue with short and long borders, traditionally woven Kanchivaram borders with an all over brocade pattern, floral pattern running throughout the body. This has got a very pretty contrast blue pallu. That's the pallu. And a blue blouse. Priced at 14,625. This one is a full tissue sari. It's gold with pink korvai weaving on either sides with rich kanchi border. The body has got small buttas, floral buttas running throughout the sari with a tissue. This has got a rich pink pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast pink tissue blouse. That's the blouse. Priced at 21,490. Mandolin green and purple, a very pretty color combination with a rich brocade zari woven all over pattern running throughout the sari. Kanchi borders on either sides with a small piping in purple along both sides of the border. This has got a contrast purple pallu, that's the pallu, and a purple blouse with rich zari border, that's the blouse. Priced at 14,625. Pink with kaddi zari border along one side and a long border towards the bottom part of the sari with beautiful peacocks and floral pattern running along the border. The body has got an all over brocade pattern woven in subtle antique gold zari with a rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast double color green blouse. Priced at 18,850. Peach and magenta with retapet border. This is 2 gram gold zari with gold and silver buttas alternating on either sides of the sari with vertical lines of silver zari running throughout the sari. Very, very subtle and classy with elegant korvai weaving. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu, and this has got a magenta blouse. Priced at 29,390. This one is Peacock Blue, a very pretty zari woven sari with brocade pattern and paisleys running throughout the sari with bawanji borders on either sides. This has got a beautiful subtly woven rich pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain peacock blue blouse. Priced at 19,900. Lime green and pink, a rich beautiful color combination with short and long borders on either sides, traditionally woven kanchi borders with brocade pattern running throughout the sari in rich golden zari. This has got a contrast pink pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain pink blouse. Priced at 29,390. Peacock green with rich bawanji borders on either sides. The body has got an all over brocade pattern in antique gold zari running throughout the sari with a rich pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a plain peacock green blouse. Priced at 19,900. It's pink and violet, a very pretty color combination with rich kanchi borders on either sides. The entire body has got a self-woven pattern with beautiful peacock and paisley buttas woven in antique gold zari running throughout the sari. This has got a rich pallu in violet, that's the pallu, and a plain violet blouse. Priced at 19,900. This one is yellow tissue with pink combination, short and long borders with small zari checked pattern running throughout the sari and buttas in between the checks. Traditional borders on either sides with a rich pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a tissue blouse in red, that's the blouse. Priced at 20,090. It's violet tissue with rich bawanji borders on either sides, subtly woven thread buttas running throughout the sari with a rich pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a plain violet blouse with bawanji border. Priced at 19,900. Beige and blue with brocade buttas running throughout the sari with korvai weaving in blue, rich zari borders on either sides with a contrast pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a blue blouse. priced at 20,790. This one is a very pretty peach with complete silver zari weaving. Beautiful buttas woven in silver zari running throughout the sari with rich bawanji borders on either sides. This has got a silver zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain peach blouse. Priced at 21,490. This one is navy blue with kanchi borders, short and long on either sides. The body has got a very pretty brocade pattern woven in golden zari with small green piping on either sides of the border. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu, and this has got a contrast green blouse. Priced at 18,350. This one is magenta with short and long borders in antique gold zari on either sides. The body has got a self-embossed pattern with rich zari woven buttas running throughout the body. That's the pallu, and this has got a plain magenta blouse. Priced at 22,790. This one is silver grey and pink traditional korvai weaving on either sides with beautiful geometric pattern in golden zari running throughout the sari. This has got a contrast pink pallu, that's the pallu, and a tissue blouse in pink. Priced at 21,490. This one is peachish pink and purple with rich Kanchipuram borders on either sides. The entire body goes in brocade pattern in antique golden zari with a rich pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast purple blouse. Priced at 14,625. This one is green and blue with double borders on either sides, beautiful peacock motifs running along the border with brocade pattern in golden zari woven throughout the sari. This has got a copper sulphate blue pallu, rich zari woven pallu, and a plain blue blouse. That's the blouse. Priced at 17,550. This one is pink with green piping, traditional Kanchivaram borders on either sides with a beautiful brocade pattern woven in antique gold zari running throughout the sari. Rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast green blouse. Priced at 18,350. This one is a very beautiful pastel shade of peach with silver zari woven borders on either sides. The entire body has got an all over brocade pattern completely woven in silver zari with a rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a plain blouse with silver zari border. Priced at 17,550. This one is pink with rich zari woven borders on either sides. The body has got a self-embossed pattern with beautiful zari buttas running throughout the sari with a rich pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a plain pink blouse. Priced at 19,900. It's chiku and magenta with beautiful brocade pattern and traditionally woven zari borders and korvai on either sides. The body has got an all over pattern running throughout the sari with a rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a magenta blouse. Priced at 26,190. Rose and navy blue with korvai borders on either sides, traditionally woven with an all over brocade pattern woven in golden zari running throughout the sari. This has got a contrast navy blue pallu, rich zari woven pallu, and a navy blue blouse. Priced at 20,790. The last one for today, it's golden tissue with pink combination, traditional borders on either sides with beautiful thread woven buttas running throughout the sari. This has got a rich pallu, that's the pallu, and a tissue blouse in pink and red, that's the blouse. Priced at 21,490. All the saris are available in our website. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link that's given in the description, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.